Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to make a short video. It looks like Tesla now allows for pre-order of the Tesla Cybertruck, starting with the rear-wheel drive. You're looking at about $60,990 before we didn't have that options. And if you want the all-wheel drive, you get $79,990. So it looks like almost $20,000 difference. And from there, you jump another $20,000, would bring you to the Cyber Beast. So the difference, so let's say the rear-wheel drive you can order now, but they're probably going to be available in 2025. And the range-wise is about 250 miles range. And it's 0 to 60 is 6.5 seconds, so not the fastest, but not the slowest. And for $20,000 more, again, the all-wheel drive, you also will be getting in 2025 as well, but the range is about 90 miles more, and 0 to 60 is 4.1 second. And as you can see right here, top speed is 112. Has 600 horsepower and 7,435 pounds of torque and 11,000 pounds of towing capacity. On the other hand, the Cyber Beast is the same thing you order now, you get in 2025. Range is about 20 miles less, but the quickness is just crazy. 0 to 60 is 2.6 seconds, and max out top speed at 130. And horsepower is 845 and 10,296 pounds of torque, and again 11,000 pounds of tow capacity. All right, so if you want to order now, it's only $250. So which one will you guys pick? Rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, or the Cyber Beast? Please leave your comment below. Other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe, take care, till next time.